Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Traders. So you can see that on 12th we have analysis that if this will be acting as a supporting area. If it will take support, then our first target will be easily reached. Then after that it is continuously consolidating only. Okay guys, after that you can see that after here only consolidating this break, its lowest break retested. Okay guys, here you can see that I will made a thing is here. You can see here this is acting as support. Right now it taken resistance once again. After that, how nicely you have got here. Okay guys, after that you can see here also it is continuously taking resistance from here only, here two times, here also. After that our first target is easily reached, second target also easily reached, third target also easily reached. We have got very nice trade up till something 34,500. Okay guys, easily reached. Okay guys, our analysis is that in Ethereum also, you can see that in Ethereum also what we have discussed, that you can see here. Okay guys, what I have told you, if this will break, then your first target and second target. First target we have easily reached. You can see that here is two of the thing is, it is making a double top. Okay guys, I have seen this, I have shorted also. I have wanted to tell you, but you have not joined my Telegram channel, so I have created one Telegram channel for you. You can go and join there, the AIM Trader, its name is. Okay guys, I will give you that link in the description. You can see that after that it made an M pattern. I am here only somewhere, I am shorted here, I have taken a put, and this is the my SL. Okay guys, you can see that how nicely it came down. I have told you here also that it will take resistance, then your first target, second target, third and fourth target. Okay guys, we have to patiently wait for it. You can see that it is taking a here only resistance. Okay guys, after that it came once again down, it consolidating here. After that once again come down. After that buyers has been tried so much hard, but what happened, once again seller has taken it. Okay guys, after that you can see that once again buyer has tried, but seller has taken it downside. Here also you can see that what happened is that our resistance has been faced here. Okay guys, I will just show you. This is the one of the thing where resistance has been shown here. Just a second. Okay guys, here is the thing is that it's shown a resistance. Okay guys, nothing will happen. You can see here. After that you have got very nice target. I have told you also that it will breaks, then confirmly it goes up till here. After that, here only you can see that it is taking support. You have to go up till here. You can see that how nicely it made a double top also. If you have shorted here also, you have got up till here. You can see that here only consolidating, so your target up till here. Okay guys, you can see that how nicely we have achieved our, in Ethereum also we have got our target. Okay guys, in YFC I have not seen anything in makers. Okay guys, you can see here what we have discussed is that you can see that in maker also what I have told you, it act as a resistance. Then you have very big target in here. You can see that it taken resistance, or first target hit, second target, third target, even fourth target also slightly below. It just touches and goes upside momentum. Okay guys, you can see that how accurate is our leveling is that our first, second, third and fourth target is reached. I know that it taken 2 weeks to achieve it, but we have got our very nice trade. Okay guys, we can see next also in FTT. Okay guys, in FTT you can see that what I have told you, if it will break this, okay guys, then your SL will be somewhere here, because it is double top making. I have told you also this is our first target and second target. I have told you also that second target up till you can go for, because this is showing the bearishness. Okay guys, after that it showing the bearishness. You can see here you have shorted somewhere here, or you can see that I will just shift this so you can got a very nice idea about it. Okay guys, you can see here what happened. It is continuously taking resistance. You have taken here also a put position or future buy it, sell the future also. So you can see that your SL will be here somewhere, and your buying will be, selling will be here. You can see that our first target is reached, second target also reached, your third target here only it taken resistance also. You can see that you can see here somewhere here I will make the resistance area also. You can see here. Okay guys, it's came and taken a support, after that taken a resistance. You can see that our level, you can see that accuracy, you can see that our first target also reached. You can see that first target, second target, third target and fourth target. Okay guys, what happened is that our fourth target also reached. You can see here it taken resistance. What I told you, it taken resistance, then it will come up till here, exactly just touches and taken a upside momentum. So you can see that how powerful our prediction is that. Okay guys, like this you have to take your analysis and make. Okay guys, in LT LITECOIN. Okay guys, in LITECOIN also what we have seen that if it will take support then only go for upside momentum, otherwise don't go. What happened is that it continuously consolidate, after that it came and taking support here, but buyer are not so much dominated here, seller are so much dominated. You can see that how nicely taken in downside. Right now these are in the sideways market. Okay guys, now we can see how next you can trade in crypto. Okay guys, now we can see how crypto will behave for next 2 weeks. Okay guys, this is, you can see that it is acting as a support and it will break, then it act as a resistance. This is the one of the major supporting area, this is acting as resistance. Okay guys, we will go for bigger picture. So you can see here what happened is that if it will once again came here and take support. Okay guys, then your first target will be here. Okay guys, your second target, your third target and fourth target. Okay guys, you can go for bigger picture also, fifth target too. Okay guys, you have to your minimize the risk. Okay guys, you have to take some profit. Okay guys, you have buy somewhere here and your SL will be somewhere here, so it gone up till here, so you have to trail your SL. Okay, or you can book your 50% and let it be run 50% your profit. Okay guys, like that you have to behave. Okay guys, then only you become trader. You don't have to too greedy that you have bought somewhere here. Okay guys, you have bought somewhere here or shorted up future, you have taken up till here. Nobody knows that up till here it will come or not. Okay guys, we know that it is a probability that it will achieve up till here. Okay guys, you have to take patience. You can see that I know that we can achieve this, but you can see that how nicely it consolidate, then once again tries, buyer has tried to take it upside. At this point you are so much panicked, so you have to see and have some patience. I have taken some patience, that's why we have got this rally and we have achieved all. Okay guys, you have to take some patience, then only go for that. Okay guys, your first target will be here. Okay guys, then second target, third target, then it will once again take a resistance, then your fourth target will be here and fifth target. Okay guys, in downside also we have taken all the target in, and upside also we have discussed all the target. Okay guys, you can check out my that video also where I have told you up till where it can become. You can see that all whichever I have told you in the crypto, all are achieved our target up till only. You can see that here only it achieved, and after that only it turns around. In Ethereum we can discuss right now. We can see in Ethereum USD, you can see that I have told you this is act as major supporting area. At this point only taken support, and how nicely you have got within you can see that 24th Feb to up till 25th Feb, within one day you can got this rally. Okay guys, how nicely you have got. This is acting as a resistance. You can see that this is the double top. I have not told you in the Telegram channel because you have not joined my Telegram channel also. If you have join there, then I will definitely post my ideas, and there you can see that here only I have seen that it is making double top. It will maybe come downside, but I have not posted because you have not joined my Telegram channel. So go and join there. If I am seeing that 10 to 15 people also there, then I will post my analysis. Whenever I will see that it is behaving like that, I will post there, and you can got your best ideas and you can trade there. Okay guys, this is acting as a resistance. You can see that first time, second, third time it is acting as a resistance right now. Okay guys, this is the one of the major supporting areas. Right now what we can see is that you can see here this is 2 hourly time frame right now. So we can see that if it will once again take a resistance from here, our first target will be here, taking resistance from here once again. Then our first target will be here. Okay guys, then our second target, our third target. You can go for bigger picture also. Then our fifth target. Okay guys, these are the target in downside. Okay guys, if maybe it's probability that it will break, then our first target will be this. Okay guys, our first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, these are the upside three target in Ethereum. Okay guys, we can see next next is that YEARRN Finance. Okay guys, we have discussed not taken on that 12th. I have uploaded the crypto video. On that day I have not analysis this because this is so much not volatile or not giving so much nicer momentum, so that's why I have not taken any analysis of this until it is consolidating right now. So I will take a chance and give you the analysis of this too, so you have some patience or something, so you can go and take it as in option also, or you can buy is as a equity only. Okay guys, if once again it take here from here only, just a second, I will remove this. Okay, you can see that if it will come and take here this trend line support, then you can easily achieve your first target will be here, second target, third target, fourth target, fifth and sixth. Guys, this is the very high probability that it will shoot upside. Okay guys, take a chance and take a, if you have risk management, you have no, please take a risk, slightly risk, don't have so much risk. Okay guys, take a slightly risk and take it upside momentum. Okay guys, this will be your first target will be here, second target will be here, third and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in YEARRN Finance in downside. We can see that maker. Okay guys, this is acting as support. I have told you up till here only you can get it your target. Okay guys, we have achieved our target, but you can see here what happened. It doesn't come at that 12th Feb. Okay guys, it taken downside momentum. After that it came once again here. You have to short. You can see that how much you have to patient. Once again this is the swing. After this came up till our third target is hit, once again reversible come, and here once again sellers taken it downside. Our target is reached, but you have to take a patience. Okay guys, up till you can see that our third target is reached. You have trailed your SL up till second target. Okay guys, you have trailed, so our target is that SL is hit. After that our third target to hit. So like that bigger investment or bigger players what do like this only, they have to see that where is our common people's SL will be there, they hitted their SLs. Okay guys, after that they come and taken up till here. Okay guys, like this you have to also think. Okay guys, right now what I am thinking, this is at the triangle pattern only. Okay guys, what it is doing is that it is taking continue first time, second time and third time. If it will break, then only. Okay guys, otherwise don't go for it. Your first target will be this. Okay guys, second target, third target, fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target which you can achieve. Okay guys, we can see in downside too, if it will take once again resistance from here, your first target will be here, second target will be here. Okay guys, automatically it will consolidate here, then it will break, then you can go for these target. Okay guys, I will just put it here, these target. Okay guys, otherwise in downside also, if it will, you are thinking that it will come down, then your first target will be here, second target will be this thing. After that it once again taken a resistance, then your third target and fourth target. Okay guys, you can go for these four target. Okay guys, this is the best thing what I can seeing in makers. Okay guys, you can see in FTT. Okay guys, FTT is also best thing what we have done in analysis. Exact here only I have told you exactly it taken a resistance from support from here and taken upside momentum. Okay, right now it is so much confusing market right now because there are so many supports and resistance right now. Okay guys, this is acting as here as a resistance, so once again it will come and take support here. Your first target will be this. Okay guys, second target, your third target and your fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside momentum. If it will come and take once again here resistance, okay guys, you have to take a patiently then your first target will be this, second target, third target, and your final target is fourth target. Okay guys, these are the 4 target. Okay guys, in Litecoin, what I am saying, this is acting as a resistance. You can see that continuously this is acting as a support. If it will break upside, okay guys, high probability is that if it will consolidate and break, then your first target will be this, second target, and third target. You can slightly take a risk in here, because if it will break upside, it will give you a very much big momentum. Okay guys, very much big momentum. Okay guys, in downside also, if it will come downside, okay guys, it taken from here resistance, your first target will be somewhere here only. Okay guys, second target, our third target. Okay guys, if it will break upside, please go for bigger picture. Okay guys, like this you have to analyze this. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.